kongoi Chitab Kalenjin isubet eng saishekab koraki kakewege eng betutab rani eng saishek chekimi eng tetutiet ne notok kichome Chitab Kalenjin notok ikere ne Chitab Kalenjin kemi episode number 45 eng betutab rani ngimi ole imi kongoi eng biik chekaro chekakoingian kakotok ami kebebertab olep emetab Australia kichamegei eng kebeberta nep Adelaide South Australia akochamegei kwa ufupi emetab Australia makoya akere borekei eng wakati anan eng muda nemi tai yo kebendi keyote emetab Australia koyatak emetab Australia. Karibuni fans chechok chosubech eng betusiek tugul chosubech ang mtandao tugul chosubech eng kebeberta nebo Facebook chosubech eng kebeberta nebo YouTube otokotin kakiitu eng betutab rani kemi episode number 45 makolo kora kitesetai komie makolo kora sikeselebreten kenyit agenge kong'ete kinginam show ini ikere ne Chitab Kalenjin akiwekchini kongoi biik tugul chekikotelel kobotech kong'ete taon nekikakitach episode number 1 akoi ra kemi episode number 45 kimi eng kemboutab rani koboto notok engineer nenyo Janet Chepkogei kopeperushanech all the way from olimbo Florida lakini inendet komi chini kwa chini eng kemboutab rani akemi kora ak notok Manuela Kemboi ak Dennis Kirwa icheket ko biik chebo ng'alekab musongnotet anan che makani sure ole kakikamilishan show chechok eng oret nebo loud and clear. Akere Akidi Kilel akere joining from olimbo Kericho County kongoi Chitab Kericho County korno chito nekikure Evans Keitan kale ami olimbo Nagoya City emetab Japan. Akere Bernard Chepkech kale following from olimbo Timborwa Baringo County ak biik tugul akere biik kakoingian ameche koshean show nebo betutab rani ameche ilaikan show nebo betutab rani akole sire tugul imwawech ile inyorchinech ano nginomchinech emetab Kenya nginomchinech olimbo emetab Uganda nginomchinech emetab Tanzania. Moses Arap Kemboi kale niko tune from olimbo Doha Qatar na ko agenge alumni nebo tetutietab ikere ne Chitab Kalenjin kobun kebeberta nebo Doha Qatar. Akele Jelimo Bishop kongoi Jelimo notok ko one of the directors nebo Bidelo kosibech kabisa hongera kwa akere boisiet nekoai eng olimbo Eldoret olemcheni kitabut kongoi Dennis Koskei to nekikitinye eng episode number 44 nekinetokis biik chechang kabisa kobun kebebertab olimbo France anan Ufaransa. Ameche kekirosen moja kwa moja Timothy Kanda kale joining from Eldoret kongoi Chitab Eldoret. Ameche kekirosen from emetab Adelaide South Australia Ayabei Bridget kale welcome all kongoi Ayabei Bridget osirwech kityo ole onamchinech ano ameche akrosen kong'ete emetab the land of the kangaroo kebe akoi kebebertab olimbo emetab Columbus Ohio sikenyoru Balozi Peter Rono. Balozi Peter Rono amune emetab Columbus Ohio.
Kongoi Osea, kongoi kasubik chok tugul cheosubech eng betutab rani kimeche ketachak eng tetutieng'wong nebo ikere ne Chitab Kalenjin kemi episode number 45 ko kitokchinigei rani kebeberta nebo Nairobi ole kakinyorchi taonyo kebeberatak ko otokotin tugul omi tokwek cheterchin. Kisome kityo kele mwaiwech ile isubech imyeno imwoe kityo ile ami Nairobi akosubok akoang'o siko ketestai kounotok. Kimeche ketachak ko ilen kongoi ko Osea chamegei Columbus Ohio kokarutotokyigei kebeberta nebo Atlanta Georgia ako kwawege komie. Kongoi biikab Atlanta chekokinyoru eng kebeberatak ako kokinyoru biik chekaisubi tetutioni Osea chekale kongoi akanyoru biik kora chemeche kosub tetutiet so kimeche sikiyokyi asikobit kosub tetutiet so kokitacham kolotok kwabaibaitu malo Atlanta kong'etegei it's only an hour flight so kokatokyigei kebeberatak so ngimwa ile Ohio ko ole kitoune ng'alekab ndegeit koroni. The Wright brothers ko king'etye koroni kong'etyo that is why kimwoe kele the first flight Columbus Ohio atya kong'etyo murecho uni kimaiyan sine kikeyan kole ng'ete ndegeing'wa lakini kole kimeche kebe ole mi koristo ipkoflyan the first flight kochobeu atya pkoflyane olimbo North Carolina. Kokile imen Osea biikab North Carolina kole king'ete ndegeit ole lakini kitounegei Ohio. So karibuni eng betutab rani ko kimeche sikekurtot kityo kokatech asikobit ketestai sona ole mitei. So kimeche ketachin taonyo inendet kekure Nice. Ngele Nice, you know, Ngeresa ko kararan. So, you know, she's beautiful. Ko Nice Jelimo chepkemei Bwambok ne kakinyorchi nganasetab Nairobi. Ko Bwambok, kimeche ikat biik kyok sikonai kole imiteu ile chamgei.
Chamgei biikab Kalenjin. Surena Nice Jelimo Bwambok. Confuseni balozi wale Bwambok. Lakini Jelimo Bwambok.
Bwambok. So wale Bwambok lakini Bwambok. Chepkemei Jelimo Bwambok. So kongoi nye Nice. Kongoi nye Nice. Karibu sana itagat ing tetutienyo nebo tos igere ne chitab Kalenjin ko taonyo number 45. Ko Jelimo kimeche sokoi I muteni ketesetai ko unotok ngap kekose palat kitikin lakini we are fine. I think we're going to be fine. Ko karibuni nyote biikab Kalenjin kosea kotomo ketou tetutiet kemwa kele anan kinyorchi ne kebeberit ako kinyorchi taonyo ko ameche awek sitemwoiwech ile isuben ngo atya iyokwech link eng kebeberta no age sikobit kiyokchi biik cheimuchi kosubech. So karibuni akwek tugul mwaiwech kityo ile isubech kobun ano ketesetai notok.
Kongoi balozi Peter Rono, kongoi notok ko tot nekitinye eng kemboutab rani. Nice, kongoi kakekas tugeng'ung kabisa loud and clear. We have been anticipating and kikeni kabisa shoini eng nebo betutab rani. Agere chemu Rirei, Valentine chemu Rirei kosubech all the way from kebeberta nebo olimba Melbourne, Australia. Kongoi timitab Melbourne, Australia. Agere chi nekikure Kipkeny akosubech kora kobun kebeberta nebo olimba Melbourne, Australia. Kongoi biikab Melbourne, Australia. Biikab kebeberta nebo Sydney, Australia. Karibuni kabisa. Agere MC notok ko Bwambok Millicent kosubech all the way from olimba kebeberta nebo Sydney, Australia. Koke Prudence kale watching from olimba Italy. I remember pale Noret, Soret, University of UON, University of Nairobi. Kongo chicho kale kikerchin olimba Noret, olimba University of Nairobi, akosubech all the way from Italy. George Kemboy kale live from olimba kebeberta nebo Dubai. Kongoi timitab Dubai ango the Soimo ak the team nebo kebeberta nebo Dubai. Karibuni ngemboutab rani aketesetai action nenyo nebo betutab rani. Paul Chemei all the way from olimba kebeberta nebo Doha, Qatar kosubech ngemboutab rani. Chini kongoi mwalimu nenyo Eric Kipkemboi Maraba all the way from kebeberta nebo Hungary akosubech chini professor Jelogoi watching live kongete kebeberta nebo olimbo Nairobi County anan mi Eldoret angemboutab rani. Agere chi nekikure Olivia Cherotich neisubech eng kebeberta nebo YouTube kale watching from Nairobi. Kongoi Olivia Cherotich all the way from Nairobi. Ainea Kemboi kale following from olimba Cyprus ko kebeberta nebo Europe. Chiri Brenda kale watching from Maltese ko kebeberta nebo olimbo Southern Asia. Kongoi biikab Southern Asia makolo ameche kityo to share, ameche to like, ameche to ngotko kewacheni kora this show for the first time. Ngotko kewacheni for the first time ameche ingian YouTube akisubscribe ning YouTube nebo igere ne chitab Kalenjin Osea Kiprono ak YouTube chachak tugul sikosikyi ketestai. Ngotko tom kora ilaikan our page, igere ne chitab Kalenjin mut ketinye kelchin ingian for the first time ilaikan our page si kakitau program chechok eng betut amuch ang program chekeyoe akomwaun kityo pageit kole orona tesetai. Olivia Cherotich, Nice my schoolmate pale Kapete Noret Soret. Kongoi masikoi timwawech ile kebeberwech chep Kapete chep Soret kone mgeni wetu amwagere biik chechang ko kale kikonyorun. Agere Joyce Ngetich kale watching from watching you mama from Nairobi. Kongoi mama ala watcheni mama ni amang'u ale mama is nebo tot no watcheni akobun kebeberta nebo Nairobi. Moja kwa moja ngegrosen balozi ing'etwech tetutiet nebo betutab rani episode 45.
Kongoi Osea, kongoi biik kyok cheisubech, kongoi ngakwek tugul Joyce Ngetich nekole mite kebebertab Nairobi, ko ketesetai kouni Olivia Cherotich abwoti ole kakomwa Osea, ko kongoi ngakwek tugul cheosubech eng tokwek cheomite, kimwoe kityo kele anan kisome kele share tetutioni rani iyokyi chi sikobit kosubech atya ketestai kou notok. Kimeche kityo isharen ak ilaikan kora, meshean buch, kimeche kora ilaikan this program sikobit ketestai kou notok. Ko ngikose takisponsor tetutioni imwoiwech Rich out to us, Rich Osea inendet siketestai. Ian Kimeli kongoi isubech inendet kong'eteke kebebertab Nairobi. Agere Cheruyot Cleophas following from Germany. Ko kongoi Cleophas inendet ko scientist nekitun ko inendet alumni nebo tetutioni, ko kongoi nye Cleophas imite kebebertab Chereman. Icham kemwoe kele ngorom chichot Hitler, kakikimwoe Hitler kole chichot Hitler ko kaki Hitler notok, ko ketesetai kouni. Ko kakinyorchi tonyo inendet nice Jelimo chepkemei Bwambok ne kakinyorchi kebebertab Nairobi, ko ole bunu tonyo anan ole kakinyorchi ko kebebertab Nairobi, ko kimeche kityo kiro kele kinyorchine kebeberitab Nairobi. Ko eng chekilet ne kakinyoru kenyoru kele Nairobi kotindoi anan area nenyinet ko 696 km square, notok ko kerge ak 269 square miles. Tinye population mwaat nguno anan eng 2019 ko kokimwa kele nekit kotinye 4.4 million biik chemite kebebertab Nairobi, lakini ngisub tugul chemite metropolitan nebo Nairobi koite 9.4 million. GDP anan mogornotetab Nairobi ko nekit kemwoe kele tindoi 50% nebo mogornotet. Ngimeche iyai mung'aret ko yutoyo keyoe mung'aret, amu 50% nebo mung'aret eng emetab Kenya komi Nairobi, generateni 14.8 billion US dollars, notok ko nekit kemwoe kele 50% nebo GDP eng emetab Kenya. 62% wealth ing Nairobi kengeneratene yutok pa Nairobi. So igere ile mi mogornotet tugul yutok. Nairobi kotindoi 17 constituencies. It was founded anan kikitou Nairobi ni ing kenyitab 1899. Tinye kainet nekicham kemwoe kele tinye cool water, mongen kotokomitei, lakini kinaat Nairobi akobo ng'alekab cool water, mongen kotokomi bechotok, lakini kiib kainet kunotok, ko mongen kotokou notok. Capital nebo emetab Kenya 1963 ko kikitou kenyitab 1902, lakini 63 keamuan kele capital city nebo emetab Kenya. Nairobi ko headquarters nebo tuguk ngishat anan organizations chechang eng continent nebo Africa. Kinyorchin kebebertan anan kinyorchin UN kebeberatak pa Nairobi ak kibagengeishek chechang. Naat kora Nairobi kotindoi no kimwoe kele Nairobi Stock Exchange, Securities Exchange, nekit ing kebebertab Africa ing ng'alekab security exchange. Nairobi kora ko taonit agenge ne ing ng'ony komugul netindoi no kimwoe kele tindoi national park ing katikati nebo town. So it makes Nairobi unique in a way. Ngimeche taonit neinyorchini national park ing town ko Nairobi. So not they take the pride on that. The growth rate nebo kebeberita komi barak anan mwaat kele agenge ing taonishek chemite barak eng ng'ony. Yoto kakinyorchi tonyo nebo betutab rani, noto ko inendet nice Jelimo chepkemei Bwambok, tonyo nekakinyorchi kebebertab Nairobi. Ko sikebendi ketou tetutiet ko ole kibetitoi kou kila, kibendi kesubi inendet ketoune ketebe tebutik, kioltaneteni tebutik kobun ane ak Osea. Ketesetai kou notok, ngitinye tebut neikose takitebe imwoiwech anan iserwech eng yo bat kityeme kisub atindionnyi kong'etege ole kikisikyi okoi koitu Nairobi asikobit kenai kele ae ne ine eng kebebertab Nairobi. Kou notok ko kotomo ketou tebutik ko kimeche kityo kelejin Jelimo anan nice kelejin yekitebe tebutichu kelejinin feel free iwalune Kalenjin, iwalune Kiswahili anan ko Kiingereza sikobit ketestai kou notok. So kimeche amu ngap komi kora biik cheisubech che mara makase the language kotebe kole what language is that, lakini kityeme kora keitchi biikchok ni ko sikobit kechergei ko ki bororietab Kalenjin kenai kele kimuchi keyai kiy age tugul neimukoksei. So ngotote imi yo akoi inyokor anan iweike kemeche kelejin imukokse tukchu tugul amu ngot kwae okot Jelimo ako kikwai bichu kiche kikekur eng yu komukokse tukchu. So kimeche kiyan kunotok ketesetai ko Osea kotomo tau ketepse inendet ko ameche teimwoiwech ile isubech ng'o sikobit ketou tetutiet anan atindiotab taonyo. Testai Osea.
Kongoi balozi Peter Rono, kongoi kaibwatwech kabisa tuguk cheechen chekinamchin county nebo Nairobi. Kale county namba ngapi sikoi komwawech tot ang betutab rani. Agere biik kosubech kabisa, agere kakoingian kabisa, ngotiri Brenda, kongoi kabisa Priska Jemeli, Marisei, kale kuja hapa Marisei komi kebeberta nebo olimbo USA. Kongoi karibu sana. Honorable Primin Jemweno, kongoi Jemweno, all the way from kebeberta nimbo olimbo emetab Queensland, Australia. Ambassador Alfred Sajin, karibu sana. John Tul Kole, mwalimu mwenyewe, all the way from kebeberta nimbo Melbourne, Australia. Nikita Kering, alewajin, kongoi Nikita Kering, amang'wale minendet kebeberta nebo olimbo UK. Agere noto ko my dad isubet kabisa mi eng betutab rani kosubet kobun Juba, mi kebeberta nebo Juba olimbo kebebertab olimbo Southern Sudan. Agere isubet kabisa, asante sana, komi kebeberta nebo Juba ak timit tugul chemi kebeberatak bo Juba. Kongoi kora agere biik chuk the team nebo Tulwa Mwetun Fraternity tugul komi kabisa, mzee Kigen Giliovas agere kosubet kabisa ak biik tugul chekakoingian. Ameche kityo tabwatwok ale mut keingiani much kotomo agere chi kora netiko Dori Chelagat, director nebo Optiven Property Limited kebeberta nimbo Nairobi, komi ak chekile Optiven Army. Kongoi Dori Chelagat ak boisiet neyoe kabisa olimbo kebeberta nebo Optiven kebeberta Nairobi County. Ameche balozi Peter Rono, ameche king'et kityo Rotich Deno Kips kale tune in from Tindiret. Kongo chitab Tindiret ko kodam kewache kele mami network, lakini agere kakenyoru chitab Tindiret kale ngolel Tindiret kekol beek. Kongo chitab Iska Kemboi kale joining from Turkana County. Kongo chitab Turkana County. Aikatua Fata Mike Mutai komi olimbo Turkana County akwai boisiet kabisa neo olimbo Turkana County. Kongoi bichon kotikeshian kotikelaikan akirecognisani ak aske progressani forward in program nebo betutab rani. Ak biik tugul chebo Kipsamo, biik tugul chebo Chebiakwai, mwalimu nanyu Daktari Arap Namemet kosubech kabisa Daktari Arap Namemet. Asante sana Daktari Arap Namemet ngolemi ako isubi tetutiet nikemwoe kele kongoi kabisa. Karibu balozi.
Kongoi kasubik chok tugul cheomite tokwek cheterchin. Kongoi kakas chitab Turkana tomo kenyoru chi nebunu kebeberatak kemeche kelecho karibu kubun kebeberatak pa Turkana County. Ko Richard Deno kale mite Tindiret ko uye kakomwa Osea. Kongoi eng akwek tugul cheosubech eng tokwek cheomitei kimeche kelechok anan ketachak eng tetutienyo nebo tos ikere ne chitab Kalenjin. Kou yu kakimwa ketinye taonyo noto Nice Jelimo Chepkemei Bwambok nekakinyorchi taonitab Nairobi. Ko kebendi ketou ketepse inendet kong'etege utok asikobit ketestai kobotech. Ngot itinye tebut imuchi isirwech eng yo iteb tebutieng'ung sikobit ketebe inendet ketesetai kouni. Ko kakitou tetutiet eng betutab rani ko kimeche kityo kenai kele Jelimo, nice Jelimo, chepkemei Bwambok ko kikisikyin ano anan kikisikyin ano nice kokwet ngiro, isoman primary ano ak iwe secondary ano chepkemei?
Kongoi kabisa balozi. Ngainaik chu kokeny ko nice chepkemei Jelimo Bwambok, kikisikcha Eldoret, Uasin Gishu County, Ngeria, that's what, Ngeria what? Village ko Kipsamo, kakas biikab kaa ko cheninyu. Nimefurahi sana. Kikisikcha Kipsamo anan Mimosa. Ngele inye Kipsamo. Ole kilen kapchemnyanye, Kaplele, Kabisak. Isaac Bwambok, my dad. He's principal at RVTTI Eldoret, Rift Valley Technical Training Institute. And then my mom, she's in Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital. I have 2 siblings. I'm the last born. Ato tuet cham kokuro mama ak baba Chepkeror. Amu kiaker oret. Kisomo kinga. The first born, my sister kikitunji Nairobi. Ile Naomi Cherono. Mi Kiare ine. Then my brother is a businessman and he's still schooling. Ile Nian Kimeli Mutai. Then I'm the last born. Primary go kiawe Eldoret Preparatory School agoi class. Ngele top class yo. Kotoi baba nenyu sukulinyi yenga. Nekikilen Days Division School. Una a transfer na Mangwing Town. Awaka amu kiago kitinye sukulit baba. Kilen Days ting. Una somanjio agoi class 8. Kotareta Mungu awa Moi Girls. Moi Girls Eldoret. At 2014, our Nairobi University Kabete campus. Kaga speak chugo geneva cheva noret soret. Ose samwa noret soret kone. Kaga speak chuk chegi jamge mi noret soret pamoja noret soret ko North Rift Evangelistic Team, South Rift Evangelistic Team. Kijamge bendi missions in the areas that we were coming from. So our University of Nairobi, Rona supposed to graduate in December ini. Think that's basically
yeah, Jelimo kongoi keshe when again fast forward ko kongoi tebutiet nekotete ketebe ko kaimwat yare, which is good amu mokoita keteb kele itinye siblings akenai kele itinye 3 siblings itoet enga kongoi kounoto. Kameche kityo atebenen amu kemwa ile ki transfer eng sukul kimi town ak Kenya bitare olimbo resort. Ko ndemukokse imwoiwech ile kikenyoru ne amu ingele keba Moi Girls komabwoti ale kibendi buch. So you must have done very well because Moi Girls is a national school. Ko kimeche imwoiwech ile what did you score si ngot komukokse imwoiwech ile ki score ne eng form 4 amu mokoiwe kora Nairobi University amaisir. So lazima kora kokisir akwanyun kakenai kele isikunon koto kele kimi mission, which is also good. Atya ameche kityo imwoiwech ile ki score ne eng primary atya ko secondary, and then imwoiwech kora eng yo whether there were challenges in gaa. Did you have any challenges or it was good? Jelimo.
Sawa, kongoi balozi. In primary, ma sir missing, ama avut missing. Kanyoru 360.
Okay.
Kanyoru 360. In Moi Girls anyoru a B.
Okay.
Kima achame somanet missing. Kiagere biashara ane. Lakini kitareta Mungu kabisa our Moi Girls by his grace. It wasn't something that I was expecting, but kitareta Mungu by his own master Moi Girls and by the help of my parents as well. So catering Moi Girls anyoru B never 64, our University of Nairobi Kabete campus, I BCom. amu kiachame
Oh,
biashara.
So
Iba
Bcom
commerce.
gotinye yeah, Bcom gotinye ke mungaret. B is very good. 360 also is very good. Makimeche kemwaun kele kikinyoru ata, but we also tried and we tried and sometimes ketesetai komeche konai kora biik kyok kole you can get average ak itestai ak you can do very well in life as you go. Ako kongoi ngalekab mungaret kakakisho kotaune olebe high school. Mongen ko kiyai mungaret imi Moi Girls, ndemukoksei kemeche kenai kele mungara ne, so kitau ial mandasi sialdochi wanafunzi anan kiyai ne, kinae ne ile ichome biashara imitei high school.
Mi high school kijam kigia those days tulikuwa tunakubaliwa kwenda na snacks, but I think nowadays magia mchini hivi chemite by now una gimila ko kala kijame kotar their snacks earlier. By that time maybe ni mid-term visiting haijafika and I could still have some biscuits in my locker, so ningewauzia vita hiyo ya 5 bob at 10 shillings or even some of them considering nikikuona unakaa mtu wa pesa, I could sell at 20 bob or even 15. So that's when I knew that there is something in me that I was business oriented. So since then I started doing different things. I think I immediately after form 4 sasa acha niachie hapo.
Kongoi nye nice kongoi nye nice. So kakebwa keitu form 4 kakonyor nice B kokekurchi Nairobi University kelechinin pongezi. Kakenai kele iyae Bcom eng yundok, ngele ngemwa Bcom abwoti ale economics sana ne mongen. Business of what is Bcom in full?
Bachelor of Commerce.
Bachelor of Commerce. So gotinye ke mungaret no. So kongoi. I'm an econ major and finance, so ketesetai kune, but I'm branching into something else ketesetai kora ngulin, but it's a good course, bika chechang komeche koba engineering, but we also need business people like you. So mokimeche kokere biik kolen kityo kimeche kebe engineering inege. Engineering is good, nursing is good. Chu alak chu ko ngisub nguno chito neu ane in Jelimo komokoi arutchi ane cho kilen kele kerut chito ndakikile nameche ko daktari ko memukokse ngane amu mokoi arutchi. So akot komi biik chema kemetochi bichotok, but kinideni kora biik chemitei business Bcom kounye. Ko kongoi kimeche kebe kebeberta nebo Australia sikobit kotesetai osea yotok, ko kakebwa akoi keitu Nairobi ole kakonyorchi inendet. So kakenai kele imi Nairobi imi sukul, ko osea ameche itesetai yo ketesetai kounotok.
Kongoi Balozi Bitarono, ameche tarikoknaisan biik chekakoingian eng betutab rani, biik chetiko streamen. Kongoi biik chakere kakoshian kabisa, kakere kakeshian over 31 shares. Ngotikeshian kabisa koikitu katitututiet akimang'u kele kakocherokis biik chok in one way or another. Kongoi Osea Kiprop Cheboret kale following from Olimba Moi University Uasin Gishu County. Kongoi sana Arap Cheboret. An Kerin kongoi An Kerin kale very proud of you. Kongoi biik kabisa chakere kitinye biik kabisa chechang cheisubech eng kebeberta nebo Olimbo YouTube. Akere Simon Peter, Arap Cheror, kijanayatab commissioner nekibo education ekosubei kabisa. Kongoi Arap commissioner ngole imi Jacob Kemei, kongoi Jacob Kemei ngole imi Noah Kipkemboi, kongoi Noah Kipkemboi. Nebo Francis Rono chitab ketik, kongoi chitab miti ole imi eng saishekab koraki, akere kimi pamoja. Gavana Meteitei akere isubet kabisa nekekure gavana nebo Meteitei. Kongoi biikab Olimbo Meteitei ak Tindiret kwa jumla ak biik tugul chebo kebeberta nebo YouTube. Edwin Ngetich, asante sana Edwin Ngetich neisubet eng kemboutab rani. Kongoi Jelimo. Nice, kongoi amu kaimwawech ingen ile kele oye kimaichame somanet anan kashimwa ile kimaisir mising, lakini keng'alale gradit age nemi barak saidi lakini congratulations kityem Amagit agere amagit Nairobi ole kiwe ameche a little bit as a follow up ne nekiyai after high school. Amwane kingatar high school ai pikipikit kiyoe ne after high school inyendet.
After high school ko kiayai tuguk chechang nea. First, kiayai photography. Kijama apire pichainik ipaun akinyaalde. Secondly, ko kiatinye tree nursery. Kikakol ketik ak mauek, cypress, blue gum, ak different kinds of flowers. Kiatinye tree nursery nekio kabisa. Akijama aldai the flowers. I used to sell the flowers and the trees. I think my main market ilikuwa mostly my mom and then my aunties go. Alafu kiatinye biik alak pia chekijam kobwane from different places to come and buy my trees and flowers. Alafu kijama ale mutumba kora akaaldai.
Jelimo pole katilin po ngo kuret ne kikol anan kikombwan anan kisom gaa oh
kikona sigikchuk.
Okay, sawa Bombay.
Ingapunguita mama Nejuu akanikatia certain portions. Hapo ndo nilikuwa na miti na maua. And then I also used to go to Cheptiret. By then tulikuwa, I think on Wednesdays and Saturdays ilikuwa siku ya soko. Nguna kipa ale mutumba akinyaalde. Kinya wendati kabisa nauza sweater, inik dresses, socks, Igere. Alafu kiai tukun chechang kijama ale mayai kakaldai kora. Nguna kiatema tukuk several things. But mainly those were the 4 main things that I did after high school.
So another question much ko imagine kiai faulu, and what was the motivation amu kaingete mutumba kaiwe keti kaiwe mayai, and within a very how long did you do that? And
kijama I concurrently.
Another question
Sorry.
is
Yes.
Another question si walutugul kinamjini ano capital ne a startup chekitau ne mungarosiek chu after high school.
I can't recall, but I think my parents gave me some amount. I'm not quite sure, but I think my mom gave me some amount yenye ilinisaidia, and then from that I was able to accrue more yenye nika venture into those other businesses.
And then also imuji komiji ne miyo ne isubyo koteb kole ara ingele ke mai kongetege in resort pagele kikure ne kokweng'ung. So Kipsamo. So keib mai kongetege Kipsamo okoi Cheptiret. Kiboisie ne how did you transport your eggs? Ago, what was your transportation? And aninda imatatu.
Okay. Actually, most of the eggs most of my eggs in Kipsamo mangen buya by then kima gotinye biik chechang kanan Kilian mangen, but most of the eggs ningepata huko around a place called Davis, Nairobi. When I used to work for so long, or I could call one of my cousins. He's in Canada at the moment. Akuja twende neena pikipiki, twende tutafute mayai, gelego hiyo giginyor tamana. The other house would get like 15, the other house and then there was a guy, Kimi Chevlaske, tulikuwa tumepatana, someone connected me to him, so at times he would come for the eggs, ama nimpeleke hadi Igere Junction na pikipiki, then he would come for them.
Kongoi, incredible story, so inspiring. Baragiak amungare nebo mayai after high school. So immediately after gingitar anan, so what happened? Gingiwe sugul kotanu mungara na taganan tos kiapti diage anan tos kiteta your mom and anan what?
Actually, I'm sorry. Just before I joined in, niliendelea na biashara for some time, alafu pia nikaanza kufunza that school ya my dad, Days Division. I became a teacher there for some time, I think for one term. Amukiata 2014 November, aga joinen first year 2016 September. Nguno kiatebi nga for quite some time. Unakiai mungaret akanetishe kora. Nilikuwa ninafunza hiyo shule ya baba. And then sasa when I joined campus, I was able to continue with the businesses, but not these ones. Nika digress kidogo. Achana na niliacha mayai, nikaacha tree nursery na photography, lakini niliendelea na mtumba agatawanyun mursik amu most of the time when I would go home alafu nirudi, my friends would be like utatuletea leo mursik, maibwet mursik nini, nikaona this is a business opportunity. So the next time I went home ningekuja na maziwa and I would sell. Nikaona it's a good business opportunity because most of these people would buy that mursik. I started now ordering from, there's a friend of mine who comes from home because he's called Dan. Nikamwambia sasa kwa ananitumia mursik. The first time he sent I think 5 liters, ikaisha na siku moja. So that's how nikaendelea sasa na biashara, but pia ya mtumba sikuacha. Kijama aldai kwendi chaba mtumba ngorogora.
So in osea mongen ingele kemwa ile in kialdai mursik in sukul imi campus mi lo kapete, so ialdotini ngo, who do you sell, who are your customers?
Okay, by then when I began, the students were my clients. Students and also my family members. Karo, most of them are watching me, the likes of Anne Kering, Joyce Ngetich, those are my relatives. So most of them, when they knew that I sell mursik, na wao wako Nairobi, walikuwa wameanza kuorder. So I could sell to the students and also to family members who are around, and also other people now got to know about me that are not members of our family. So hivyo ndo nikaanza kuuza mursik kwa large scale. I could even sell up to 50 liters, 40 liters a day. So it became a very good business.
Osea mongen, you know, I'm just curious, nice amuin imidometry and animenya na abwati ale menya dometry. So ingelengimi university ko imenya campus. So atia, where do you store mursik? Ingelengi ngalale 40 liters ko kwangejita ko lara indono mursik again. Yeah.
But that's a while back. Balozi, that's in 2017, 2018. Kijama mi school for wagere kago posten picture inichuga osea. That was by then nilikuwa bado small scale, 10 liters kia midom midom saikiatara. I'm just waiting for namalizia project and I wait for my graduation, probably, hopefully. I trust God that by December I should be graduating. But at some point I digressed a bit, nikakuwa engaged to business more than academics. So nezapata there is a semester niliacha kwanza shule kidogo ni focus on business, but I think a few semesters back nikarudi ndo sasa nikamaliza. I'm waiting for my graduation, but by then I used to be in the dorm. Nikaona hapa dorm ainge ni accommodate tena the hostels, so I went outside school. Nilikuwa naishi shule with some of my friends, so at least huko ningeweza ku store up to those amounts of liters, 40 liters, 50 liters, 60 liters, because the demand was so high by then. But after some time, that was last year.
Yeah, still Jelimo ingele, you know, imi town, you know, like imi Nairobi, I know it's cosmopolitan na jam big. Nge mwangu no in loa kapete ko negit ko bija ko pick up kiteri jang lakini, you know, I imagine I mageta ni mursigu ananja me bi ko ramlo te jam pick up in kiteri ko ga jam in jam mursigi sanane.
Actually, can introduce them to them, and then most of these people wanaonanga when we come from such marathons, wanaona tunapewa mursik. Those people like wanapewa mursik airport, wanaona there's something. So I used to tell them, hii mursik, actually some of them know that hii mursik yenye watu wanapewa ndio inawasaidia wanakimbia hivyo, or they have those good bodies. Actually they say that most Kales we have good bodies zenye inatufanya tunaweza kimbia, we are very fit and flexible. So there's an idea that these people have yenye ilikuwa inanisaidia kuwauzia hiyo mursik. Wanajua hii, alafu inakuanga na dawa pia. Hiyo dawa ndio inatusaidia we remain young and very fit. We can go for those marathons and we end up winning. So there's a mindset, a misconception that most of these people have that helped me in my business.
Ko ose testai ka nyong nyamu ka mameche in ingele geston mursik imite in a small ngele a small apartment anan kikure ne so kabokombwan mi ak friends itinye fridge ing yutok anan ikonori ano ke like kakekonor mursik itinye kulait ing your apartment anan indoi ano mursik.
Actually, mursiki ju kimagotebi haikuwa inakaa for long because I used to have orders and I would deliver them. So haingekaa for so long. So I would not even need a fridge by then. Kwa sababu orders zilikuwa zinafika. It reached a point I could nilikuwa najitengenezea mursik. I was not depending on that guy from home again. So nilikuwa na order mursik from Kabete, because Kabete is believed to have very good milk other than Kiambu. Kabete is known to have good milk. Si yenye wameweka vitu zao. Unakijama ale fresh milk. Nya job chige. Atinye soto nikingo inyuma ko sai. Atinye sote, atinye itai, atinye everything that is needed to prepare a good mursik. And then the demand was so high, so I could not. I did not need a fridge or a freezer. Ilikuwa natengeneza inaenda, and then but I also had I approached hotels and I could make deliveries to those hotels, like brunch restaurant. There are several hotels, but I could deliver up to I think 6 hotels by then. So the order was so high, the demand was so high, I did not need a cooling machine.
So Jelimo, so in keibu kabwa hoteli ibune sotet anan ibune tamusit.
Guna depending on some of the people, and then kuosha sotet pia go gasit. Guna some people have that idea of sisi tunataka na sotet. Guna some of those people, and then even some of my clients in families pia ninge deliver na sotet, but for some ninge deliver tu na 5 liters. Like this was a delivery, 6 liters na sotet. There's another one here. I think ninaona Hosea has quite a number of my picks. But for some, ninge deliver na 5 liters, 10 liters, jerrycan it, and then go 2 liters, 3 liters. But for some, kogijama I deliveries ak sotet. Lakini for deliveries with sotet, kogijam go a bit expensive. About currently, if you want deliveries na sotet, the price is a bit hiked compared to chupa.
Oh, okay. So I think it has a brand name, Nice Milky. So
yes, Nice Milky is the name of my company now.
So you branded it, key brand and go again. It's a brand in Nanungu.
Yes.
Okay, so also at the starting, so it's getting interesting, and to go misugul nyo anan gagi kind of taban nyo. So amuga medyo sa tebe nyo anan katagitebe gele, how are you able to balance nga leg of sugul ak mongaret and is there, do you have any help anan giya gityo gi sergi anan niye ne ye kuloge we last
by then kijama by myself, but currently I have someone nekiamutu from Guna Authority. We live together and anisaidia, and then also she benefits from the same pagutit anaelewa history yote ya Mursik. By then I could not entrust it to someone that did not have the understanding of running such a thing, because you make a simple mistake and it costs you your entire business, because hii ni story ya chakula. Sasa ukifanya mistake ngele chavu nene una affect maybe your clients and you gonna lose your clients. So nikangoja for some time nipate someone that I really trusted, of which now niko na yeye.
Ko amu itinye chito agenge ne ae kasit, so ngong'et chicho kole kawe kasi koripoten ingele sim yeng'et karon ile keripoten kasi iwendi office, ano ole ripoteni chichi?
Okay. So after initially nilikuwa tu nina work na online. Agoi last year when my parents chipped in and I opened a shop in Nairobi town ya Mursik. Hapo ni kwa nyumba yangu, hiyo picha imepostiwa hapo, asuke sotoni kinya sotoni chada. Wase mnaweza zoom.
So Jelimo, so isute sotoni ku ing apartment ng'ung'et ichop tukche tugul chu. Itinye itoik, kemwa ile itinye itoik, itinye sotonik. Raffling kot kemwa nguno ndatebe Hosea kole nekit sotonik ata che itinye, amu akere kochang ko nekit ata?
By now ngele around 10, but me some people chegia deliverance jagoesha gogona nguna komwan gogona rabinik pichoto haya ninge kityo.
Okay, so kitestini ya maybe meje sita uyalda sotonik kora, so you can sell that, it can be a business. Singialda jita ko page more, you start selling sotonik and then you train them ananguma quality ka kogeny ko tago suchige, so ngialda sotonik ko mo ko to kwale njeba, so pat so nye so Hosea
Kongoi balozi Pitarono, kongoi kabisa Jelimo. It's very interesting. Boisiet neyoe agere chang biik kabisa chekakoboibochi amecharanan through some comments chekakosir biik eng kemboutab rani. Kale Karen Kurgat ak agere chang biik kabisa cheisubech eng kebeberta nebo YouTube, ongot ketestai kesubscriben, ongot ketestai keshare eng kebeberta nebo olimbo YouTube. Karen Kurgat kale wow, this is amazing, proud of you Kuso. Kongoi Kuso neng'ung no, kale kikure Karen Kurgat. Agere Edwin Kipchumba koboyot Arab Tera kale achame Mursik kabisa, akomi inendet olimbo Sydney Australia. Meche City ng'ololchi as biikab Australia ilei amu boyondona kobunu ole kikure Chesokor olimbo Nandi County, ako kakoro Mursik ko kakolong biik chebo Amaju asikosikyi. Agere chi nekikure Silas Keter kale proud of you, nis keep going. Kongoi Eli Kemei, kongoi Eli Ian Chirchir. Dori Chelagat kwasola akine alumni nebo tetutioni ako kimi University of Nairobi. Inendet koyoe kasit kabisa ak kampunit neo nebo Optifen ak chorwenyo noto kokure George Washuri. Kongoi ameche ngamma nako si akitaimani chito neu Dori Chelagat komeche siipchi Mursik akoi ofisit nyi ak angot George Washuri, I'm sure ale akoi kwalun kabisa. Beres Cherobon agere watching from Mombasa, proud of you Kamati. Kongoi Maswell Keringa, proud of you me mom, watching you from Manchester olimbo UK. Jiri Linus Jiri Brenda agere kakotaji nekikure Linus Biwot kogo physics mathematics and chemistry teacher in my kongoi Torotich Duncan kale following from kale so Shogimau, kongoi chitab Shogimau ak biik chechang kabisa chetikoingiani. Ngot ko keingiani saa hizi ako tetutiet nemi soet ko tetutiet ne noto kichome. Igere ne chitab Kalenjin kimi episode number 45 kemi taonit neo nebo olimbo Nairobi County, kemi ak Kasola kabisa. She is still a student but kakoek inendet an employer, kakoek a supplier, kakoek entrepreneur, kakomuch konam chi keut akot ko mwanafunzi university olimbo University of Nairobi. My question, agere questions chechang ko ameche amu kaing'alale missing akobo kititau koi mwanafunzi, kotitaune hostel, koimuveni itinye your own business, kaimwawech akobo your company. Mwawech a little bit about your company, when did you start, ak imwawech procedurally. Much komi chi ne student ing akine nemeche kotoi kiune itou your company kolimbo Nairobi. Ako tos tis your company kikoek a registered company anan tiko?
Okay, kongoi Osea. So it began in 2017.
Yes.
Kwa nimesema ilianza hiyo ya kuuzia watu wanafunzi tu shule. Ngoma hivyo music ikaanza hapo pole pole, it grew till I moved out of school. I started living with some of my friends, at some point with my siblings, and then now I went and started living alone. I opened a shop in town, and the process of registering the company is still on. Subing a ledger, ameja register na probably if things work well before the end of the year or early next year. So I had one employee, but I think for me, I had kianaite aigasit kityongon, like at the moment amigasi a HR Best Western Plus Meridian Hotel, lakini jioni kwa jamaa itu god iba sute sotonig iba un sotonig alafu pet karon kwa chepta. Most of the time currently go online. Nguna got kinyor deliveries kwendi chepta, but weekends atareti if kaya deliveries anan gota same off kotko jang deliveries asame off if kealde pamoja at some point kiaro ale amache that knowledge pia, which kiawe sugul ibasomanji BCom, but I specialized in HR. Nguna kiamache anai HR ni ole tos tareta ing biashara nenyu. That's why kiawe kasi anyun Best Western Plus Meridian Hotel. I think most of you know it. It's an international hotel. Lakini my business is running. My company is still on. The name is Nice Milky. And if you'll allow me, I have a presentation of the whole thing, of the entire company. I will just meet a post.
Yeah, sure. Maybe you can go ahead and share the presentation of your company and your business for the benefit of our followers.
Yeah, actually, there was a time I was invited somewhere in US, and I was supposed to go and make this presentation. So I think I just grow old. We can just still use it.
Yeah, it's okay because this platform is an international platform as well as you present your presentation. But
Yes.
I'm big to recognize and big to in betutab rani biik chekatunen for the first time biik kifalieni because mi amu mi yu because of icheket. Kongoi and kering agere chi nekikure Jacob kabisa. Jacob ko ki mwenyekiti nebo vijana olikinye kenyisiek chukichok nekibo Diocese of Eldoret ako subet kabisa. Kongoi Jacob olimbo Mombasa weekly Kimutai kale congratulations is very inspiring. Agere Jacob amitwan ndama 5 liters anyoru kalenda Jacob kemei kalenda ameche 5 liters chebo chego anyoru. Kongoi inyoru amu ami ak inendet noto ko the supplier chego kabisa. Kakoek ready the presentation. Meanwhile agere ato Kiplagat, great job following from Olimba Northern Territory. Kiplagat Nixon ko inendet neisubun moja kwa moja episode number 46 temangu from Nairobi agere Olimba Northern Territory. Jiri Brenda ishi kongoi memake kitebutyo na kotiketeb eng tai yun. Jiri Brenda nesich wasiwasi kibendi siketeb eng tai olin. Kongoi biik chok.
Osea, kameche atebin, ameche kora ndemukoksei Jelimo imwoiwech ile kakemwa ile itinye website, ko ndemukokse kora imwoiwech ile website nengung kono, ako ngot komeche ngot komi chito Nairobi atinye biik chemi Nairobi kowendi ano kemwa ile itinye tuget nyenong Nairobi tugeng'ung ak kekure ne tugeng'ung eng Nairobi.
Oh, okay. Sawa.
Yeah, so koimwoiwech ile mnyeno, how do you go ngot ameche aordan chego ami Nairobi ko iwendi ano, and then ngot imeche ial in person kwano, you know, where is the shop neng'ung notok Nairobi.
Kongoi akit age kora Jelimo ameche kora
Sawa.
siteshi. You know
Details ichotok tugul. Yes.
Kaimuchi share ning yoti bori cheboche bishare kami kemwa ile most of your customers.
Ogere kidogo.
Yeah, share.
Yeah?
Tukotoma kumang.
Kele ne usema?
Yeah, toma.
Ogere?
Yeah, toma.
Toma? Okay.
Toma. Sawa, karibuni. Yes, uruna kabisa. Yes.
Okay, so
yes. Igere.
Sawa. This is just the introduction, but maybe I could just read through. I don't know. It would take much time. Can just summarize.
Yeah, you can summarize. Yeah.
So Nice Milky is a company that mainly does homemade milk products, Mulsik, the Kalenjin fermented milk, and Mala. For some people, they ask what's the difference between Mulsik and Mala. Mala go chamgo maginda isotate, matinye those that medicinal tree, mejamge and Mulsik. At some point also I did yogurt and ghee. But our main area of specialization go Mursik. It started as an online one in 2017 January as a small business, mainly selling my product to my fellow students in campus. And then it continued for some time till I decided to make it now big. I think by then I allowed some people to buy shares, and that's when it really grew. Ningeweza kubuy quite a number of things: sotonik, saburionik, chekijama, chemushanji, chega, jiko, ne amukial, quite a lot of things. And then I also started selling to hotels in Nairobi town. The Mursik was something new in the market, and it has always been known and eyed from the Kalenjin community. It is believed and has proven to be actually true that it's the reason behind the championship of most people from this region in athletics. Their flexibility and speed has amazed so many, and people like the ones that Balozi had mentioned. I got Balozi, najua wewe pia hata kama ujui Mursik ndo ilifanya ulikuwa unakimbia hizo enzi. And then most Kalenjin moving into the city was a plus on my side, because they found what they usually have at home, and they didn't have to incur expenses to get the same product from up country. The milk is sweet, healthy, nutritious. It's a long one, so I'm trying to just get an overview of the same. And then because of the quality of this product, its uniqueness, taste, and health benefits, it's attracted quite a number. Meru, Waluya, Wajaluo, nikapata. And then so not only members from the Kalenjin land, but also those from other communities have grown fond of it. And then managing the company was quite a challenge for me, so I got assistance. That's why I allowed some people to buy shares. And by then, Kenyo Rubik, that was around 2 years ago. Jegi bought shares, Guna Kiatinye some help, some assistance from some people, but later I decided.
Jelimo, ngile shares, itinye shares, chatya ingele. Ngiko itage alda shares ko gogo yeta company, so itinye shares.
Kimako shares chetosile nameshal shares nebanini, but I had just some people were interested in it, and they were asking if I could maybe bring them into the company by allowing them to give me some amount so that they could be part of it. And by then I really needed it because the demand was so high from hotels, from families, from individuals, and I needed a lot of money to make it big. So that's when I allowed like I think 2 people to chip in with some
shareholders.
shareholders
Okay,
partially.
okay.
But okay. And then so my vision was to become the #1 producing company in Kalenjin traditional milk and other indigenous African products by selling the highest quality of them, freshest farm produce, products from farm to customers worldwide. Because when I opened that shop, I could even sell traditional vegetables. Ilikuwa mursik, nilianza na mursik na it was just mursik. Then later on, people were like, sasa tutakuja tu tukule mursik. Nikaona this is another opportunity. Nika introduce ugali. Manawa itanyun na wimbi aga na babsungig aga sojeg sakyat ak chepkerta. So that was my menu. Only that mursik, kimyet na wimbi. For some people they wanted your white, so ningepika ya white, but now mana white anyun never soko kijama ale anankoya kwa mama peg inga ninashaga alafu ninatengeneza hiyo, so it was the original ugali. And
Jelimo, so kakoekin mako chego ichegei, so kakoek hotel kora in. Your shop probably is an hotel amu ngot keame kimyo ake isake ichobe ono kakotesak kaicheng jikoni ole kikwonye kimyet. Ako toko chito agenge anan inyegei neikwonye kimyoni ak sochechu.
Cheptanatak, lakini komako haikuwa si kubwa sana hiyo duka. Una kijamke ak the lady, but after some time I left the hotel one, nikaona nilikuwa nina digress. My focus ilikuwa inaanza kukua more of hotel, but when I began this nilikuwa najua it's just mursik, so this was a digression from the main thing. That's why nikaacha hiyo kimyet ak sojeg, nikarudi kufocus on mursik only. Nguna now I'm just doing mursik purely.
Okay.
Yeah. And then those were mine. And then what else? So I think most of these things I had highlighted, but I identified the gap in the market when most of the young people in my school would request me to bring them mursik from home. So hiyo ndo ilikuwa hapo ndo niliona that opportunity. So this is what necessitated the move that I took. And also I think something else that I never mentioned was that what led me to to do this, other than just being business minded, kiatinye a heart for charity. Kiameje, there's a lady that came to our school some time back, a youth camp, a youth seminar, and she told us about supporting mission work, and anagot uchukue some girls from those areas, Isiolo, Ananpokot, Ananturgana, like 2 girls, and then you mentor them, you buy them things, you just encourage them. So that other than this, being business minded, I was also led to help these people. So I would kia support and mission work kabisa, kia kijama ya chini rabinik pik chegimi mission areas, those dry areas, chegimi Isiolo, chegimi areas like Pokot, like Turkana, and also that idea, I bought into that idea. Netosa amut aib chige lagok chetos alakwet ane lakini amut lagok chetos provided maamutu konyu lakini kicham kengalali. Those missioners there would be our contact point. Nguna kicham kekachini, kicham ayakchini kit kidogo chetos boisien a lot, the personal necessities. So those are some of the things that also led me to be this aggressive concerning business. Other than just being business minded, I also wanted to help. I wanted to help these people that were not okay. Even in school, I had some people came me, I think by then second year, and I could be supporting even people in fourth year that came from poor backgrounds. Because my parents walikuwa wananitumia pocket money jananitosha mimi peke yangu. And then but I also had a heart for these people that are less that are disadvantaged. So that's what also made me to be this aggressive and passionate concerning business.
Jelimo, so kemwa ile in itoreti tibik chebunu marginalized communities or disadvantaged communities.
Yes.
Mara komi ji ngap kenyoru biik chemi sang ole chekose takiyai something like that, but they don't know how to do it. Ndameche konyoru ninye Jelimo kole kakimeche itoretech ing olin bo Isiolo anan meche itoretech ing Turkana, because kager ale not only are you doing what we call corporate responsibility, because you're reaching out to help others, and then ke focusan kora those areas that are marginalized ak tuguk cheu cho. Ndami ji ne kose takiyai tuguk cheu chotok, because mi nguno, for example, girls chemite local schools, they need sanitary pads and things like that. Ndameche konyoru ninye so toret anan siyai boisionotok kenyorundoi nano Jelimo.
I think at the moment, ko numberin you never see me and I never my assistant. That lady, I call her my PA. But mostly you can just get me directly on 0708 432 587. That's my phone number.
And then hitting your website, Kora, so can they also go to your website and drop a message or something like that?
Or at the moment, no, but I'm working on it.
Probably, so in the future, go yenyoru imwa iwech segenda our website asakobit when somebody wants to reach you ko muje gonyo asakobit itoret ago kongoi for what you're doing to help the community and to help girls there. Amu Jelimo, what people lack, especially young people, kologan mentors. So while you continue doing your business and building it, it's wonderful that you are also reaching out to mentor young girls. So immediately chingongoi ko osea mongen ko tete itinye tebutin yo asakobit ketastai.
Kongoi kalosi pitarono, kongoi Jelimo kaitinyech mugulelwekcho kaitinyech angot acheket ketesetai ak boisionik cheyoe apart from being a student. Ko kaimutet angot we are so inspired. Agere chapop ki bruta tanuiga le broad of you in Mombasa, kongoi Jacob, kongoi Bridget agere Dan Chirchir following from Kapseret, Olumba Wasingishu County, Joyce Ngati, kongoi Kiba Putwa, kongoi bik kabisa je usube Emmanuel Maru, agere kote usube kabisa kongete kangeta wapik chachang kabisa agere natak wakili Philemon Koech kobun Koech and Lilan komi kebebertab olimbo Nairobi kosubet kabisa jini kwa jini agere komi pamoja akachek eng kemboutab rani ak biik chechang kabisa cheisubet eng kemboutab rani. Ameche kotiketestai keshean, ameche ketestai amu tetutieni ko very very special akotinye maisha nebo biik chechang kabisa kot chemi emotinwekab sang ak emetab Kenya. Kit nameche ateb Jelimo, you are so interesting. Inye kaingalale itet, kaingalale ngalekab sotet, kaingalale ngalekab ite kosen much mi chi nemuch kosubecho kole ngakoi kipkaa kabisa lakwani, yani mi Nairobi akingalale tuguk chukibo kienyeji. How did you have this concept nebo tukye itet, sotet? Angen ale biik chechang kobo digital generation ako ak most of the girls chebo your age anan ibinda neng'ung ko kinyor connection neng'ung ak ng'alechep kienyeji ko kibun ano anan amu business mwawech ng'anyeny met.
Kongoi Hosea, kikoko nenyu neachame kabisa kilen Elseba Pekchibe Lele. Kiamenya gogo, and at some point my great grandma, she's the late Magigat Guna Gijam Gomi Gap Gogo. When I finished high school, alikuwa naishi na my grandmother gogo Elseba. Guna Gijam ge na pesoto nika gogo. Most of the time kama nimemaliza biashara jioni nikifika tunashona sotet. So after kushona you are supposed to suit sotet. So that's when I got that interest ya vitu ya sotet. And then when I went to school pia wapi Mursik nikaona I think it wasn't a coincidence for me to live with these two grandmas wanifunze kushona sotet, kusut sotet, kuosha sotet. I think I'd like to thank my grandma gogo gongoi kotko ikasa ameje amwa gongoi kabisa amu kineta ukafanya nipende mambo ya Mursik na sotet.
Alafu Jelimo ngimwa ile inobe sotet ingen inap sotet kabisa is?
Ingen kabisa.
Kongoi so not only ingen inap inege ingen isut ingen iun ako now you know how to sell jego isut jego ichopchi so you do it from scratch agoi inyoru the final product bialde.
Yes.
Okay, so that is what makes it special, and basically that is why gigure kaine gigure, so because you've owned it and it is you branded it as your product. Kongoi amu ngotoka ingen iun ingen iyai tukyo tugul jogo kongoi ko ketesetai mangen ose ango kote itinye tebut kameche siketestai eng yu.
Kongoi balozi Pitarono, kongoi Jelimo agere kaing'anyendet ak tuguk kabisa cheyoe apart from being entrepreneur kokemwa kora ile iyoe boisiet nebo HR anan human resource. So kwa question neraisani au ibalance yono kora ani notok nenyone amu imi HR iborye ng'alechu tugul. Ingen ile kapkasit nin kakisarin ak komeche chito iske fulfillen boisienyi, so ibalansandoi ano?
Mangen angot ngelenye Mungu amu chama aitu kemboi akatinye kasishek chotok tugul chebo Mursik. In the morning I'm supposed to go for work. Ngele Mungu inye mangen. And then I think I received this from my...
Kwa ufupi irue saishek ata?
3 to 4 hours.
Ako Kenya?
Kongoi kero Jelimo biik chechang like neranik most of the youth nguno ngeng'ololi kuni ko biik chemengechen ko spendani a lot of time on the phone. Yani melen okot kwae tuguk cheimuchi kotoret lakini chatting, sending, WhatsApp tukyo tugul chu ko nyoru chito kako spendan 8 hours eng simet ama mung'aret, so iboru kele kuinye ko kinyeker simet ko kaisimoshechu ko igere nye opportunity amu kanye iker ile kiongen anap sotonik nyechunde ngotebenan biik kolejin oye nakat chego tutegen itau ialdochi inai ile kamakat. So a lot of young people spend a lot of time on the phone but not komekan mung'aret, so imwochini ne neranik chechang cheu choto cho?
Amwachini neranik ko acha ni switch kidogo Kiswahili ama English.
Yeah, do it in English or Swahili.
Yeah. You can use that phone ama that internet as an opportunity to make you grow. Kwa sababu most of the time, even whatever we are doing on our phones ama on internet is not something that will build us ama it will help the society around ama even something that would glorify God. I know you've heard me nimeongelea story ya missions nini, and then pia part of after job biashara nini, some of that time pia I spend praying. So it's not like I'm just business work alafu Mungu nimemweka kando, so I even don't have time for phones. But now for my fellow youths, I would encourage you to do something constructive with that phone. You can make someone know about Christ ama boost your own self. Mimi simu ilinisaidia nikajua Igere na Chitab Kalenjin, nikajua there's a good platform here for me to talk about my business. There's a good platform for me here to grow. So it's equal to you're concentrating on things that they do not add anything to your life. So I don't know. I hope I'm making sense.
So in Jelimo, you know, like people are watching this program. You know, Jelimo is not, you know, she's still a youth. I mean, Mohammed youth. You guys are probably the age of my kids, and me university. Ngalabi kadang gutugenyo na sayo ko Jelimo ko mi university negit Qatar. So mi university ayagase. Ako tayo mga rating Nairobi. So yewe a place kita Igere opportunities chemi tengabe berata so kabit ko taratin ko Jelimo imuyo ko mi kawo gerbi ko le oye mineng jije. So in Baishoni, do you sometimes go out in the young people hang out? We want to hang out. So keep go and do and then do you have time also to enjoy? Or you just get Jelimo?
I do. Actually I love fun. I love going out. But not kila wakati.
Fasting's fasting. So what you
I think it depends on
fasting fast.
But I still love fun. Yes.
Okay.
So
I'm just go feeling. I'm just go feeling big engaging. I'm just go feeling big engaging. Go Jelimo go boring. So boring. Mangare time to enjoy. So you still have fun. You still enjoy despite what you're doing, and you are making money anyway.
Yeah.
So
and also,
it has time.
Oh, and also my going out mostly nakuanga kwenda kanisa pia. I know for young people, sasa wewe tena biashara kanisa. But I think most of the time, if I'm not doing business or I'm not reporting to work, most of the time nakuanga kanisani. And it's not that your life is really boring. But in Christ, I would tell you that life is not that boring as you think. You can just give it a trial.
So Jelimo, you kanisa go itinye ba isyong nyadak, do you sing in the choir, do you evangelism yamdai ananiya in kanisa?
Chama amdai aga tieni gora. We learn prophetic, you know whatever I'm doing. Mostly chama tieni aga amdai aga also in charge of prayers.
Okay, so Gongwe Jelimo, it is also good. I pray a lot, you know, and in situations to I would encourage you to continue doing that. I would encourage all the youth. It is always good that God will bring you this far and to succeed if you do that. And then in Neranik Tajang, you know, go to peak our major target Jelimo kujina minang, you know, to Qatar University. Kami jo kata imwa in Jelimo imwa jibi kesubit. Iyo yang ngalejo tukul jo kayu kanisa, kayu imi mungaret, imi te kase. Pe imi sugul kara. Are you still a student and goitar and yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm done with all my units. I'm currently working on my project. A project. By next month, so graduating in December. Una kiatar ngalega class, mawendi class.
Oh, okay. So, kami just ako naibi wale mangugerin kuje mungara in that you are a student. lakini kokotar courses tugul mite kityo project so kotar so sikebwa ngot kemi gaa we will attend your graduation and we would love to attend your graduation because for me I would do it because of what you're doing, and then koiborchi biik chemengechen eng yu ilechi it can be done. So time management ko kit nebo maana. So it tells me that you can manage your time well. Kitindoi tugul 24 hours. Lakini depending on how many che iyetegei ruondo asikobit isiyeng'et, che iwendi simet, che iyoe tukche tugul chu. So kigekalkuleten kele wendi chito simet chetya iunigei betusiek ata in your lifetime iamishei how long tukche tugul chu. So kongoi ing choto iyoe. So ko Jelimo ketesetai eng yu ko mara kakosubech biik kakoker biik akoker biik chemengechen eng yu kakoker biik cheechen kakoker biik chelyon akere kakosirwech akot chingyo kole tos Elion Jelimo ini is Jelimo book anan ko mara kokere chito kichebuken Jelimo anan kwa valye ko akoi ndakiwendi kot koit yotok what are your limits anan simakoi koip application nenyi chito nenyo komeche kowestenen time nespendani a lot of time on the phone imeche chito ne chemung'arain ku inye anan isoe kityo silechi Mungu give me a good person, or what kind of a person are you praying for if we get there?
I think mi chito ako meche samutkan.
Okay. So in short kityo kemwae kele Jelimo is booked. Ngoto kemeche iyogu application alechinin story the application has been sent and ngot kokase chichoto kole imi ikilgei murenoni and we want to see Jelimo continue doing great things and we hope he's going to support you and make sure that you fulfill your dreams. So kimache kemakun chemyach ngotito kami application nekameche iyogu kelechinin sore ngota kemwae kele lapkeitai the beautiful ones will be born and kitesetai kunoto. So kimache kemakun chemyach inye Jelimo kakate biik so ko kararan kora kenai ko ameche so ameche atebenan Jelimo ko kaketar notok imwochini neranik especially those who are young amu ing emetab Kenya ko nekit kemwoe kele unemployment rate ko nekit ko over 40%. Kong'yait corona abwati along no kakikwer 50 anan ata mongen. Komi kora neranik chemwoe kolen makomi kasisiek koketar sukul kimi university koketar university makitinye kasi. It appears to me right now kele yetar Jelimo university kumelen kele meche sikoyokto kole osira kasi. So imuchi bitestai ak mung'areng'ung nebo mursik. You can mito kote kokase Jelimo ale iwendi hotelishek kiakas kele mi hotelit nekele eng Kabande eng olabo Nairobi. Abwoti ale ndeibe mursik kwale bichoto. So explore all those people. See supply yoto amu that is where all the kales are. Ako makineti mursik. Imuche kwal soten musema chito agenge akolugobek. So kiam yundo kile eng Kabande akibilechi bichoto kwalun chego anan kwalun mursik. So imwochini neranik che mi sukul chelen makomi boisionik kewe Nairobi ko cham koker biik Nairobi kolen maybe iwendi bichenge kasi nebo office lakini inye ko kabitaune icheng kasi dormitory anan hostel ukele kichenge kasi neng'ung hostels itau icheng biashara. Imwochini neranik cheisubech eng yu.
Okay, kongoi balozi. Eng neranik ameche acherak. Kwanza onam ng'aliotab Jehova akocham Mungu kabisa. Secondly, when you have a relationship with God, Mungu atakuguide tu. Actually toma mwa biashara tugul che ayane. There are so many. I don't know. I think I sent most of the pics to Hosea, but there are so many things that someone can do. Magituitar sugul lagi gen inga inyor gasi. There are so many things that you can involve yourself in. Amu one go naba mursik kamwa nebo mutumba mi age nekiking'alalia kosea nebo B&B kilen Bwams B&B mangen kot atinye in you the picture but in one of my houses there's a time I had made it a B&B in Kabete. So there's a school there, it's called Kenya School of Government. Kitam kobwane meetings speaking here. Alafu most of them would not have a place. They would reside maybe for a night or for a week. So what I would do was leave my house, go to my friend's place. That house in Aqua B&B, I had posters in that school, KSG, and among other places. So someone would come and I would charge you 1,500 per night. I provide food for you. I can either cook for you if you want. Wewe ujipike. It was 1,500 or 2,000 depending on different things because some of them would want me to maybe wash for them clothes or do other things. So bed and breakfast was 1,500, but if you wanted bed, breakfast, and dinner, kia 2,000 and then go 2,500. Nikiona
So
mnakaa
wait a minute, nice. Amu kebi gomwen an apartment and an hostel no
yes.
So this is your hostel. And then you start making Airbnb ijo posters ibi moja vigileji
Me B&B.
I have an Airbnb.
Yes.
So you go rent it out if you spend and with your friends
With my friends.
at
And
your
then
extras you jotam got come you yung goroi leji ko 1,500 ko another
yes.
200 and then maybe whatever you will do go extras.
Yes.
So
Yeah, so that
yeah.
okay, yeah,
So
that's what I used to do.
what else do you do? What else did you do?
Wachanga tuchuta. Mostly the B&B alafu kikata ine never tutorials native chemi bitet. I'm not that fluent, but I think with that lady is a bit fluent. Native basics kutit picture me vitanina mengen wutit una neti alafu as you advance I hand you over to my PA and then so but I'm also learning so that I can be fluent. So I'm doing various things to make ends meet, but
So,
mainly
so Gongwenye Jelimo, you know, it's amazing that every opportunity, every situation can be a business opportunity.
yeah,
So, Agongijunda place, look around, there could be a business there or there could be an opportunity there.
yeah.
So, kai net pi gutit, kai job Airbnb. So, to job Airbnb and angi korok, you know, so.
For now, mago mi lakini kiking'alalia kosea by next year, January, it's just something I had decided to step back kidogo alafu nirudi. But it used to do so well because I would go spend at my friend's place. By the time I'm coming back, ukiatinya at least 10,000. Agaji chorono chugeleli putana naye agangetwa sisiti chukuna.
Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's wonderful.
And also for the kids, for
Yeah.
the kids abroad, that's what I had started. I have I think around 3 at the moment. I do those tutorials. Neti nandi picture me vitanin. I got picture me Nairobi ni amenge nandi. Neti the basics alafu. Pia I saw it as a business opportunity for some of my friends. Chemi Olimbaga, Ingen Guti, Meti Nyegasi, absorbing into this tutorial thing so that you can inet pijuta chemengen nandi and then you also benefit from it. So you just when you have I think I can just say ni Mungu alinisaidia. If you have a relationship with God, He will just guide you. Even unafikiria, you just like all these ideas. I can sleep and nikiamka kesho I have a different idea. Like now talking about BNB, those mawaji. Sasa hiyo ulifikiria aje? Mange nangu kiaro agangete karo and I have that idea. Never tutoring those ones in abroad or even in Nairobi that don't know Kalenjin. Naangaa tu nafikiria, but I can do this thing. And then I research sasa concerning maybe homeschooling, about tutorship, about BNBs, about just running business. So you can you can do anything. You can't just stay at home ati hauna kazi ulimaliza university. Mimi naweza sema ni Mungu alinisaidia all those ideas, and I have so many. I had even thought of started selling these ideas because there are so many. I don't know how to handle all of them.
So ngenget kityo Jelimo ngot kotindoi ngumi neranichu kikotar university anan ngumi ka, you should sell ideas to them jemi resop, you know, think, you know, yenyoru an idea, sell it. Kwe mecha kora kesom, you know, Jelimo will open our website. We will host her in our website. So ngot komigi, you can reach her, you know, kwalda me nyogi nyile ba mechi itareta. So already she's helping you by selling you an idea. So a movie ke jango buana golle mecha ke tareta, you are already doing a lot of help, especially the authority marginalized communities ngoli ni authority ko, that is authority enough ko lagin ni jwalak chuge allo jibi. So there is something gitaken so kabit ke authority
Balozi
jamnya chuoi. So testai o sea
gongoi balozi nga nani kabisa ko chitab saet amu ikere ile ole kakoyotok oret. Ak ketinye kora balozi, kitinye good news amang'u ale much kosomanan ako one of the alumni nebo tetutieni ako Edna Simon, inendet ko ki PA nebo First Lady ako ki alumni nebo tetutieni. Kale chamgei missing balozi Hosea, kongoi missing in what you are doing. We would like to partner with her with our Aspire Foundation. So that's a good news for Jelimo Bwambok. Sikikonnectan ak Edna Simon amu inendet kotinye foundation ako based in kebeberta nebo America. Katachan your story, katachan boisionik cheyoe olimbo emetab Kenya itoreti biik chechang kabisa ako kale she will look forward asikoro ole tos a partnership ak that Aspire Foundation. So that's a good news. Kongoi Edna Simon on behalf of our show, on behalf of our biik cheisubechi for that extra and kokongei chito kunotok amu boisionik cheyoe. So it is an inspiration for neranik balozi chi age tugul neyoe boisiet. Ai kito korok kokayai nikenamin ki. Kit age kityo namoche atech Jelimo sitikeng'alale yotok, kikere challenges, chang incidents chekokotestai eng emetab Kenya komi tikemwae pole for our champion Agnes Tirop. Kwamut kora komi an incident nebo lakwet nemi KMTC kora nekokibete sobet. Kokochang'a ng'alechu, kokitinye conversation nekoking'ololi in a span of a fortnight. Lagok karibu 3 chebo kutit kokibete sobet eng ng'alekab relationship, tugun chechang cheveri. So what your message ing'ololchini ne? Ing'ololchini neranik as a way of encouraging, kikochang'a bichu, mi ng'alechep sponsors, ngap komi sponsor nebo sumek, komi nebo weekend, komi nebo ne. So what's your message as a general way? Ako sponsors ko vice versa. Mi chito nemuch kiyokyi transport, kwam transport chebo chito amate koit ole kasapos kwo. So the platform ko neng'ung ilechini amu it is so sad for us as ngiro lagok chemengechen.
Ngebuten nguni kongoi Hosea amu keibu that question. We will put it like this, Jelimo. Yewo lakwet ko kakwo university kuinye, kokechunde university ibitebi ing dorms. Inye koyewe ibiker opportunity, kobit opportunity nebo mursik. Ko lakwet age kokawo ngomi university komaker noto kotebi kocheng chichi kikure sponsor, kotoi koboisie chichi anan ko chorwenyi. Kwam nitoni chepkondokab ni tun kait kwenut kolechi chichi kiro kasi. Koi nino koiwet, kikas chito nekiwo koiwet ipkoeb lakwetab bich nengin Eldoret. Kokikas lakwana kokibar amu kiib rabinik. Imwochini ne lagok anan wasichana cheu chemengechen ak werik kora amu imuchi kocheng kora kijanaiyat, kocheng chito nekaboisie. What do you tell them, these young people chu?
Kongoi balozi akosea. Kit netos amwa ane ko mamwachini chi iripkei amu wewe mwenyewe huwezi jichunga. kobate itinye Mungu amu ako kotitinye Mungu koitinye unakuwa na hiyo uoga kile the fear of God itinye the fear of God ne taretin iyai tuguk chemagatin. Most of the time inakuanga tu kakemwawech kele enda tumekutuma bi soman, enda usome, enda urudi hii, enda ujichunge. But zingine siwezi jichunga mi peke yangu kama Mungu hajanisaidia. Kine jamaa mwachini neranik ak biik chemengechen ko inde Mungu tai. Akot kotingen Mungu nebo iman, ma Mungu nekilen jamaa wendi kanisa Jumapili, that's enough. Acha. Kotitinye that relationship, kotitinye ingen Jehova, iwei Jehova, itinye ng'aliatab Jehova ing muguleldangung, magoi iyai tuguk alak, magoi iengage ak biik chemaba Mungu. Amu len Bible kole do not be unequally yoked with unbelievers. Nguno mawendi ane ibata awendat ak biik chemengen Mungu. Amu most of the time kotitinye that fear of God, kondoun Mungu, ingen ile Gigi aja komaba Mungu. Gigi kotinye a different agenda. Nguno I would rather go my way, or I just go with these other people amajuta. Amu kotitinye that fear of God, indoun Mungu, utafanya zile vitu ambazo zinampendeza. That's why we wouldn't have such things if all of us would decide not just to go to church on Sunday, but to make a decision of having that personal relationship with God. Not just angen kabisa big up kamu nilikuwa Kabete most ananagot school, high school, everywhere. Most of us, we have that thing of just going to church on Sunday. That's enough. There's more to that. Not just for the sake of it and give mama inga and baba inga. Make sure you go to church on Sunday. But kotitinye that close relationship. Kotitinye that good relationship. Kondoun Mungu. Some of these things are got ideas. You most of the time inakwanga hata nimelala aro ngumi biashara ini, yani most of the things God will give you through revelation, through dreams and visions. Hata hiyo utajua to this person baba Mungu Gigi, this person has a different agenda in my life. So I think I don't have much to say other than just to say we for the young people tukue na hiyo ge decide ke sub Mungu neba iman mana bagityo sigo na ipigo lega sigu neba iman. Mine is balozi, it's just sigunet. Matinye ati sijui jichunge ukiona mtu anakuja toroka this way sigunet neba iman. That's the only thing I can say because that's what has helped me this way.
Kongoi Jelimo, and may God continue to guide you. Kita nebo kamanut kimeche tekemwochi kongoi Edna Simmons neisube eng ko Jelimo kekas Edna Simmons komite kebebertab Kansas ing olep America. Tinye foundation nekile Aspire netoreti, I think it helps youth. So kacham kokakas tuguk cheiyoe, so make sure you get in touch with her asikobit ngap kenyoru biik eng program ni chemeche they want to find people to partner kwai tuguk chekororon chetoreti. So Edna, we will communicate with Osea so that you can reach out to Jelimo so that you can work something out, and we believe it will help. Kongo inga kwek tugul jo subet Osea kotomo keweke nyakebwa tuguk chekaketakan eng program ini ameche teimwoiwech ile isubecho kot ngo at sikobit keweke nyakebwa cho takeaways chechok. Osea.
Kongoi balozi Peter Rono, kongoi tawanyo noto ko Jelimo, nice Jelimo Bwambok, kongoi kora agere kora isube biik kabisa akase chine, agere chine kakosir kale Eunice Chebet kirwa kale my daughter, I'm so proud of you girl. I think mama nengung no, kongoi mama nengung. Agere kosube kora, agere kora kami kora baba nengung. Nenendet akwai boisiet kabisa neo. Olimbo kebeberta nebo RVTI kongoi kabisa mzee Leirida nebo kanisetab Kipsamo olimbo Kipsamo parish olimbo Nairiri angot tuigong ing yo tugul ak bichotok tugul chebo Nairiri akot Reverend Yego ak biik tugul chebo kebeberatak asante sana amu kosubech akosubi cheptong'wong ak boisionik choe. Koni Kuto kale following from Kenya. Kongo chitab Kenya akere nekile Dorin Chemng'eno Chirchir cheisubech eng kebeberta nebo YouTube. Asante sana Dorin Chemng'eno Chirchir ole imi kale watching Eli Kenei kale top class business mindset. Kongoi a very positive compliment. Cheset kio komi Jeze Arap Chonge Mais mwenyewe komi kebeberta nebo Sydney Australia. Divinity kongoi Simon Peter Aspel Kipchumba Soimo chitab Kapchumba lakini isubech all the way from Dubai. Melen Lelei kale chepkemei wash an kongoi kuyo chitab mkono no nebo inendet anan noto ko personal assistant nanyi akere kosubech kabisa ngole mi Magdi Chep kale watching from Monto olimba Canada, proud of you ma'am. Kale mama ning'ung na kora isubech kong'ete olimba Toronto Canada. Ian Kimeli asante sana. Ahan Kering ole imi Chiri Brenda Chepkoge Prudence Simon Emmanuel Maru kale she has the seal. This is a Koketa, a lady of the county government of Uasin-Gishu. Nandi will use her as their brand ambassador. Mursik is our own Mursik is our own brand. Kongoi muy go subech gavana tukatai anan go subet aramanda ko kale ko boisie inendet brand ambassador kosubkei ak ng'alek choe chebo kwalda mursik. Kongoi akere Mesha Kipruto Mesha Kipruto kosubech all the way from Doha, Qatar ak Jacob ak biik chechang kabisa chekakosubech kong'ete kangetou akoi saisiekab koraki ak biik kora chetikobendi asikoityi tetutioni amu ityin biik chechang kabisa. Jeremiah Sang kale following from Somalia. Kongoi chitab olimba Somalia huyo tom kenyoru chi nebo Somalia lakini kongoi Jeremiah siinboxenech anan sisirwech in our inbox sikosikyi kebwa keitu olimba Somalia sinikimwawech ile ne chekenamchini kebeberta nebo Somalia ak chi tugul neketunenin angot ko kenyone for the first time anan ngot ko tomo ngot ko akere kachang'a tilyanutikab nani kabisa ra ameche sikesom icheket ko subscribe on our YouTube. Ikere ne chitab Kalenjin Osea Kiprono YouTube ak our page, like on our page, share on our page. Sikelechini kongoi engineer aninyonet Janet Chepkogei mi olimba California akotinye akine kampunit she's a business oriented nekikuren Donyo Mart nemuch kopatinan ak Jelimo sikonde inendet international market. Amuch konam sotonik ak kila kitu akondeun international market inendet nekikerin globally anan kerin chitugul eng dunia kotinye kampunit akine nekile Donyo Mart ako kisoman akine schoolit kimi Alliance ako kimi Moi Girls. Kale mi siri sukulishechu balozi amu ngilen iro chi agetugul nebo Alliance ak nini ndaachek chumba tilwa mngetunya koma ani so maya lakini we are so happy. So balozi for now recognize-ani bicho akelechini unless kotkomi chi netikoingiani Edna tikemwae kongoi kabisa. We will see the way olotuitosi ak Jelimo asiketeset conversation from there. Karibu balozi.
Kongoi nye Osea kongoi ngakwek tugul chekakotubech Simon Peter kale mongen ale kale mnyino ko meche kemwa kongoi Jeremiah Sang nakatak mi Somalia ko kongoi eng tetutietab rani kakenyoru biik chebunu tokwek cheterchin, kakenyoru kobun olimbo Australia, kakenyoru kobun Middle East, kakenyoru biik kobun emetab America, Kenya, oli tugul oli ko kakenyoru biik cheisubi tetutioni. Kimeche kemwa kongoi ngakwek tugul chekakosubet. Ameche anyun Jelimo ngot komi ng'olyon maybe mi isubin baba neng'ung eng yu, isubin mama neng'ung, I'm sure your siblings too are following you. What can you tell them? Maybe you've never had a chance to tell them something. What can you tell them? Imwachini ne baba ak mama ak picho tugul chakakomwa nice words about you. So maybe you've never had a chance. Sometimes keiba kele mara kongen, maybe ingen kole uni. So what can you tell them? Kotomo kewektastai.
Mecha kongoi kabisa eng sigikchu korok. Mr. Isaac Bwambok ak mama nenyu Nancy na leo mnafuata. Achama kabisa, my cousins, I've seen you, Kilo, Max, Nikita, Mama Nui, all my aunties, my sengeshek tugul, my uncles, I want to thank you. I know kama ingekuwa nyinyi, most of the time, what I love about my family, not just the nuclear family, the extended one. Most of the time when we go home, Tapata, there is an event that has been organized by Gogo. Gogo, long live Gogo Elseva. Gijamin kabisa Gogo. Amepanga an event, alafu our parents, our uncles and our aunties watu ongeleshe kocherech pichuta kabisa nguna hizo maneno yenu ndio ilitusaidia. I know even most of my cousins are doing well, my siblings are doing well because of first God and secondly because of these people our parents, our uncles, our aunts, our grandparents. I'm really grateful to God for you people. Kongoi misingamu kiona mejeut. And actually in my business, there are some people who contributed greatly other than just my nuclear family. Me, Eunice Kagerin, Eunice Mami, Eunice Lele. Ameja mwagongoi kabisa mugijam ko tebena kiko begitaig imache itaig alag kianyoru itaig che better mawatol trees machevlayat kianyoru alak chekilen mangen mabwati kainaik angot nataka kukutumia mam bado ziko zimeisha na sotet bado ziko so mami I really want to appreciate you agogo ak my mom ak my dad kongoi support kabisa amu kioyanwa pa biashara kioyanwa pa tuguk chechame muguleldonyu so I really thank God for you. Kongoi, Mom Ann Kering, you used to went on Akuanga, one of the main clients in Kokaren. I really want to appreciate you as well. So mine is just to thank you. Abaibai kapsa kongoi meeting picture. Kachama pick up kap Jimnyanye, kap Ngetaos, side ya kina mam. Kongoi kapsa. Ninyi wote nawashukuru. Nimewaona my uncle from US, mom from Canada. Kongoi kabisa, ninashukuru sana. Thank you for your words of encouragement and your prayers as well. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Kongoi nye Jelimo, we always acknowledge and we appreciate. I heard you talking about Nikita Kering. I hope that is the singer. I got to meet her when she came to the US. I'm one of the founders of Kotapka. We met in Washington, D.C. when she was still a young girl. And then the other day, I think I spoke to your cousin, brother Nanyin in the UK. So I was trying to help him with what he's trying to do, and I gave him some ideas. I believe he's a wonderful young fellow in the UK who is an engineer. And Kongoi, I'm sure he's following with the Subia legend in Kongoi. Aka kwek tugul chego usubejin betutab rani kemeje ke makwok chemnyach kemeje ke ameje ateshin ngolyon alejini all the young people yeyai ke ngoti jame ki yotok ne jame mugulindongung do it and you can do it passionately. It will give you rewards. We are in Jelimo ngalega mursi so atinye kayanet ale jame that is why she's enjoying and it will give you rewards. So, what did we take from this so, what can you say? What is your takeaways? Nice Jelimo, komwangalek chik chepalet ketaroti tetutiet osea.
Kongoi Palosi Pitarono, kongoi Tono, nice Jelimo Bwambok, kongoi amu natai hawe kongoi kora amu despite the fact the way angot ole kingimwawa inboxen our page ak ile amia introducen ge ile ameja part of the show, and then kit age ne kianetkei kong'ete inyendet ko chito ne you really need to learn ngomiten ak chito for the first time. Balozi inendet kotekani time sikonetkei korok amu otuye ak chito lakini ko lakini inendet ko chito nemeche kolearnen immediately ngomiten ak chito mapema komeche konetkei mising. Agenge kora ko kaaro kora ko chi business oriented since yani isubi passion nenyi amu ngap kole chito ameche atoi mung'aret yani kole iyokwo capital ndelen itebe ilechi mung'aret ne imeche iyai yani mengen kole meche kwai ne, lakini inendet ikere ile kishukoek very prepared mataune angot University of Nairobi, kishukotaune komi high school, kotaune high school, after high school nyikwai mung'aret nebo nakaiwe kwaldoi mayaik, kwaldoi chego, kwaldoi ne ako kishukotoi mapema na chito ne planani well in advance na shukorwochi tai na mekeni akoi tun. Kit age nekanyoru ne very interesting akobo nani Jelimo, and every opportunity kokere yani in every situation kokere opportunity ngora relative chechiket kora kama customers machitugul nekere kunotok Balozi ngeni ile minda chito age ngele wi Nairobi olin ipkwa kotaban kap relative yani ipkoek mzigo kap relative, lakini kap kora kap relative kole relative ichuchuk kobun olimbo Kipsamoei akochame chego, I can do something to add and value maisha nenyi yani, so it is a lesson nekalanan angot ane angiro tilia neng'ung iro ile tos isupporten down tilia isieku customer si ng'eni. Kit age nekaro kora eng Jelimo ko kanyoru Jelimo ko she's so hardworking in the sense that amu ngiro boisiet nekitoi angen ale despite the fact kokimi challenges lakini ma focusan on challenges, ki focusan akobo the vision nebo mung'aret ketoi as a student. Kochang tuguk chechang ngap ikose kele universities ichu kochang tugun cheyoe students ichu, kialdoi banking universities lakini mairo inendet chotok tugul, kiro kine positive nemuch kotoret inendet ako dedicaten time nenyi tugul. Dedication kora ko very very important, manoyoe kito ngotko mutai komaingen ile ne nekoyoe lakini fully dedicated for what she was doing. Kit age nekanyoru Balozi ko emetab Kenya ko very tricky nginyoru chito nerue saisiek 3 eng emetab Kenya ikere sai rue chito ingene the longest ole much koru chito ko gaa amune mami boisionik cheyoe chito, ng'ete chito kole ang'ete salia sai inyoru chito rue much koru up to 12 lakini inendet korue for 3 hours ako emetab Kenya. Kit age Balozi kakokonech ketingen otherwise ngap kewoktosi nga kelen mami kasi akewoche kelaumeni serikalit kelaumeni chitugul, kelaumeni somanet nekikisoman, kelaumeni sukul, kelaumeni tilyanutik, kelaumeni sigik, lakini kikere kele ngimokchigei ki boisiet neimeche iyai akikilchigei kotukoinyoru boisiet. Ikere inendet kakonam chito biik karibu 2 sai akot ko mwanafunzi. So kochang tuguk chekanetegei Jelimo, we will keep referring to this episode. Ak kit age ko sikiro kemoveni forward amu akere inyendet ko chito kashimwawech ile kimi paper nekiito bipresenten eng US lakini kora at least kaipresenten betutab rani lakini kingen kele tikoyote kamuktaindet oret kora sitatun ibipresenten. Nebo let asi ko the bottom line of everything nakilen the fear of the Lord is the beginning of everything. That's actually the secret and the fundamental key na all success attributeni Jelimo ko ng'aliotab kamuktaindet. Lastly ko sigikuk, akere the role nekiko play your parents ako never in vain amu sigik 80% kakile mtoto ule afya ndivyo akwavyo ako not this is unique to the extended family ngap kochang families ngokakomanda chito kotaburburian family kole kila mtu na nini wake, lakini akere you and the family ak ng'alek the wisdom nekinetegei gogo neng'ung. So I think that's why you are going far kikejini lapketai kimakurun kikerin in kenyisiek chechang angot God willing we shall attend your graduation because you are part of our family. We will keep referring to episode 45. All the best. Kongoi. Karibu Balolo.
Kongoi nye Osea, kongoi nye Jelimo, kongoi ngakwek tugul chekakosubech eng betutab rani. Po komonut ako kiboiboi kabisa nebo man. It's very fulfilling, Jelimo, to see a young person like you, a visionary person. You're already doing great things. So kimeche kemakun chemyach. Ameche kityo kosubkei ak kito nekaker ing inye. Ameche kityo alechi biik tugul chekakosubech ak mising ko neranik who I'm passionate to, alechin yeiwendi iyebit ak ikerte boisie konyekuk ak iyebit ak ikas muguleldong'ung ile ne neichome, and then pursue that thing that you love passionately, with love. Ngiyai notok ichome ak ituchigei kiyotok ak iyai kosuldo nebo man kuye kiyai Jelimo. Kito nebo komonut nekanyoru ane ko Jelimo ko you are God fearing, and you know you not only just fear God but ingololjini Mungu nengung ilechi toreto. So that is why God will guide you. You know, amwachini biik alechini while you pray, you know, sometimes if you are not really a prayerful person, imuche kotiwe your bedroom ak ingololji Mungu privately. You can do that, and you know God will always not leave you. Nyoru a relationship kuye kamwa Jelimo. Atya legin always look around yoto imi komi opportunities. So mangiwe wi tor konyek, so gerte ak iker ile what could come out of here. Atya yeker yotok ak yebit konyo rahisi inyorchini yotok. Atya anyun ikilgei, you work hard kou Jelimo and stay focused. Jelimo teschini knowledge while we go and we do all this network. Ngi network ngune you will go great, so you will do greater things. So kongoi ngakwek tugul, kongoi ngedna Simon nemite kebebertab Kansas neisubeje. We will facilitate so that you can stay in touch or communicate with Jelimo so that you can see how you can partner and work together. So ngenamge uno gigilge keyoe cheechen ak keyoe chechang. So ngemakun chemyach nye Jelimo, without doubt I believe in you, you will do great. Ameche awekchi kongoi sigikuk, ameche awekchi kongoi gogo nengung notok kinamin eut. I stayed with my grandfather and he taught me so much. He was my grandfather, but I will always have him in my heart. Amu kineta tuguk cheechen. Kimeche kemwa kongoi gogo ngole me. I've never met you, but I believe you are a great gogo. To produce somebody ne great neune ak sigik, you are also great. So kimeche kelecho kichomok tun kakibwa nyekechengin baba nebo Jelimo. I live very close to yotok yoimi RVTS. I live very close there. So nyachengin eng yotok yakibwa Eldoret anan yakibwa Nairobi. Ngot kebwa December Jelimo nyekebwane graduation, I will be proudly happy to attend your graduation, because you are not only representing your family but all of us. We want to see this this company nebo Jelimo. It is called
Nice Milk.
Nice Milk. Nice Milk grow to be a great industry. We have a big company to name blow in the big ketang. Ago great things. We will share ideas of how you can brand it and things like that. Kiki motubi new joy branding, kiki motubi kemujo koi marketing. So kabi potoret. So we have all those people and they can help you. Kitinye engineer nanyo net Jeff Kogay, who is an organization and marketing, and she happens to come from Eldoret. So we will market you and make sure that you grow and do great things. So nge magunjam nyat mami gina to get destiny ameje gitcho agonin baraindo imwanga legu chocolate ko toma ge tiota ameja mwa Benjamin Sokuta lego ngoi from Sydney, ameja mwa Jessica Kalia watching from Sudan, kata ge mwa go ngoi Cynthia Kipkemboy Kurgat kale mwae kongoi Esther Bwambok, Chiri, Brenda, Simon Peter, akwek tugul chekao subet kimeche kemwa kongoi ing akwek tugul kimeche kele kindoi visit our page asikobit itestai, like it, share it asikobit ketestai. Yeking'et eng yu ko mara kebe ketokchigei Australia, mara kebe America, mara kebe South America, tekecheng'e biik chok, takebendi pkeit Thailand. So we found a young girl or young lady that is following us here in the small island that I was studying the other day and seeing very interesting things. We would like to reach out to all of you so that we can continue inspiring our people. Kijamok biik chok nebo man, akemwoe kele we are great people, chama mwachini biik eng yo alechini bororietab Kalenjin ngisub ko we are only 0.1% of the world population, but we do great things. Kou yo kekase Jelimo komwoe anan komwoe akobo rwoik, ko we control about 85% of the world long distance running. So 0.1% controlling over 80% is something very big all over the world. Kimeche kemwa kongoi Brandon akitestai ialde mursikuk. Tell people it is the greatest because it is, and we enjoy achame chego kabisa. Kunganyo inye Jelimo amwachini sigik ale yekibe kokwet noto kemwa alue mursik, so ipke ameche balu mursik chebo gogo. So nyekebendi olinda kipkeit a lot. So kongoi nebo man Kijamok, Philemon Kurgat, Dennis Koskei, Dorothy Anthony, ak akwek tugul chekausubech. Kimache kekonin Jelimo imwa ng'alekuk chebo let asikobit ketar tetutiet. Jelimo.
Okay, kongoi balozi. Nenyugo amwa kongoi kityo eng Igere ne Chitab Kalenjin. I'd like to appreciate you so much. Kongoi balozi, kongoi Hosea, and also in absentia Engineer Janet. I'd like to appreciate you so much. Also to thank all of you that have been following, my nuclear family, my extended family, my schoolmates, my friends, my uncles and aunties. Uncle Simon, I've seen you. All of you, Mommy Esther, I've seen you. All of you, I just want to say thank you, a big thank you. Thank you for this opportunity to Igere Chitab Kalenjin, and Haswa to Hosea also for facilitating the same. I'd like to appreciate you for going missing. I bless the Lord for you people, na ninawaombea pia muendelee kuongezeka, muendelee that this will grow. It's something good, and I have really loved it. I would like to be part of it. If you need my support in any way, in any way I'd like to be part of this. I have really loved it because it helps empower the young people, and also watu wenye wako na different ideas inawasaidia to be brought out to the light. There are some people that are doing things kama mimi nilikuwa nang'ang'ana huko na muziki yangu nini, but this one it has announced me, it has announced my business, so it's something good, and muendelee hivyo. Mungu awabariki kabisa.
Kongoi nye nice Jelimo Bwambok ko kimache kemakun chemyach yeitesetai Wayne Warren maana ale mnyano UAE subet kobun United Arab Emirates. Kimache kemwa kongoi ing akwek tugul chekaosubech eng betutab rani. Kimache kemokwa miendab Jehova yo tesetai eng tuguk cheoe. Let's continue to prosper koki bororietab Kalenjin from whatever we are doing, from everything nekiyoe, ngoka engineering, ngoka tukyo tugul jo mung'aret ne tekecheng'e biik chok kou ye kikimwa sikobit kechergei. Ngemakun chemyach Jelimo yeiwendi graduateni, yeiwendi tesetai ak mung'areng'ung ak tukyo tugul. We look forward to seeing a big organization come out of, or big company coming out of this, employing several people. So gemagun jam nyaja ko gongoy Osea, gongoy engineer Janet Ngoloimi, kagige su tetutiet na betutap rani ogoy wiki no kit.
Kotoy kolega imilangi negimwachi